folks. Well, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers. And we're doing a little cooking today. It's going to be some griddle seafood. So we're just getting the griddle heated up. Got our members marked griddle. We've got our tray full of stuff. So we're doing salmon, sockeye salmon, ahi tuna, prime tenderloin steak. We got a linguine, seafood linguine, and we'll have giant black tiger shrimp, sea scallops, and rock lobsters. And we actually have a bunch of stuff inside. So just kind of waiting for everybody to get here, and we'll get this cooking started. This isn't really going to be like teppanyaki where people watch me cook, but boy, it's going to taste good. I'm going to do the steak first. Doing a little browning here, and then we'll get to it. Got some sockeye salmon and ahi tuna going here. All right, we got the linguine going on here. It's got the artichoke hearts, red pepper, bell pepper, green onion, and chopped olives, and angel hair pasta. Come on, you said that.
Oh, look good on your phone. Wow, they now color turn.
Yeah. Good color.
Yeah, color turn.
Canadian rock lobster.
Okay, we're excited here to be at Scott and Sherry's. Scott's doing a whole seafood.
Wow. You said wow.
These are wild.
These are wild caught Canadian rock lobster from San Club.
Aaron loves to watch Scott and see what he's cooking for the day, and this is just, it don't get any prettier than that, people.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
All right, we got our scallops on. We're trying to get them browned up just perfectly and not overcooked. All right, we're finishing it off with some shrimp here. We got all our guests, well, not all of them, but a couple out here. Of course, Era. Hello. We got a hungry crowd here, interested in some seafood.